Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat suspicious login in iPhone. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the Snapchat suspicious login error on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. Now to fix that issue, you just have to go back first and then you have to try to change your network. You can try to switch between your network, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that and then retry. So it might be that your issue must be fixed because sometimes it might help due to a VPN connected. If it still not work for you, so or you're getting any login errors, so you just have to open your browser. Here you have to search for Snapchat support, and you have to get support from your Snapchat support website. So here just scroll down and you'll get the option of contact us. So tap on it and then select account access to my account. Here select I think my account was compromised. Select that option and here you have to tap on change your password to change your account password because sometimes it might be that your account might be compromised or you have attempted or login attempted on your Snapchat, so you might get these type errors. So you have to try to change your password from here. Or you can also select this, click here to contact our support team option to get more help. Here you have to enter your account username, then enter an active email which might be connected with your Snapchat account, and then enter your mobile number. So you can also make sure that this mobile number is also associated with your Snapchat account. And then you have to enter or describe your issue. Once you have described or entered something about your issue, just tap on the submit option and your report will be submitted to Snapchat support team. After that, Snapchat support team will be inform you on your login or your mail which you have entered into your report, and after that your issue must be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.